Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I am going to talk about chain of thought prompting, an exciting AI technique that helps large models like GPT-4 and others give smarter and more accurate answers. So if you are curious about how AI solves problems step by step, keep watching. Let's start by understanding what this is. So chain of thought prompting is like teaching AI to show its work instead of just giving the final answer. It's similar to how we solve complex problems by breaking them into smaller steps. This technique works especially well with large language models like GPT-4 Cloud, Palm, etc. In the traditional prompting, we provide question to LLM and LLM provides the direct answer. But in chain of thought prompting, we provide question to our LLM and LLM performs step-by-step reasoning and conclude to the answer. For example, like student is writing, the answer is 42 versus student shows all their work. Like first I did this, then that, so the answer is 42. So COT matters. So it helps solve complex problems that require multiple steps, make AI reasoning visible and debuggable. It improves accuracy on math, logic, and common sense tasks. It allows AI to handle longer and more complicated problems. When should we use COT prompting? So it's most effective for math word problems, logic puzzles, multi-step reasoning tasks, complex decision making, and common sense reasoning questions. Now let's see the difference between traditional prompting and chain of thought prompting with an example. So in traditional prompt, you ask a question and AI gives you a direct answer. For example, Roger has 5 tennis balls. He buys 2 more cans of tennis balls. Each can has 3 tennis balls. How many tennis balls does he have now? So traditional prompting would say the answer is 11. But with COT prompting, the AI walks us through its thought process step by step. So Roger starts with 5 tennis balls. He buys 2 cans of tennis balls. Each can has 3 balls, so 2 cross 3 is equal to 6 ball. Adding this together, 5 plus 6 is equals to 1. So the total is 11 tennis balls. See how COT makes the solution more transparent and understandable. Example for common sense reasoning. So a traditional prompt might answer, would a pear sink in water? With a simple no. But with COT prompting, the density of pear is about 0.6 gram per centimeter cube. The density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Object float when their density is less than water. Since 0.6 is less than 1.0, a pear is less dense than water. Therefore, no, a pear would float, not sink. This kind of detailed reasoning not only improves accuracy but also builds trust in the AI's response. So let's see the performance impact of COT prompting. Studies have shown that COT prompting significantly improves performance, especially on complex tasks. For instance, on the GSM 8K math dataset, COT prompting outperforms standard prompting by a wide margin, and it's particularly effective with large models, those with over 100 billion parameters. So the takeaway is for tasks requiring multi-step reasoning, COT is a game changer. Now let's talk about where COT is applied in the real world. So for solving math problems, for handling logic and decision-making tasks, and for answering common sense queries, and for multi-step workflows, we can use COT. See a problem where we can utilize the COT. So the problem is a group of 4 friends had dinner. The bill was $120 and they want to add 15% tip, and how much should each person pay? So for this problem, the LLM will do the step-by-step reasoning. It divide the problem into multiple steps and solve each step and find the final answer. So the first step will be like calculate tip amount. So it will become $18. Step 2 will be add tip to total. So now it's become $138. Now the total bill should be divided into four friends. So now it will be $34. So each person will pay the $34. As you can see below, I have tried the same example with open source Llama 3 model. So it is breaking the problem into multiple steps and solving the problem and providing the final answer. So now let's see one coding example for solving this kind of problem through the LLM using the COT prompting. So here is an example in which I am utilizing Grok API for referring the open source LLM. So here I am utilizing Llama 3 model and I am taking the questions from the UI and appending this question to the prompt and asking to perform step-by-step reasoning and provide the final answer. So here I am invoking the LLM and getting the response and printing the response on the UI. So let's move towards the UI part. Here is the UI. Here we can ask the same example which I explained to you on PPT. So here the example says Roger has five tennis balls. He buys two more cans of tennis balls. Each can has three tennis balls. Then how many tennis balls does he have now? So let's ask this question. So as you can see, LLM is breaking the problem in step-by-step manner. So the step one will be Roger has five tennis balls initially. He buys two more cans of tennis balls. So now each can has three tennis balls. So now total new tennis balls become six. So add the new tennis balls to the initial tennis balls. Now the total number of tennis balls becomes 11. And the final answer is 11 tennis balls. So to conclude this, chain of thought prompting is like giving AI a brain that explains its thought process. It not only makes AI smarter but also helps us understand its reasoning. If you find this video insightful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI deep dives. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite application of chain of thought prompting. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.